Welcome, I'm from using Motorola One Fusion Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we begin, we will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. Now this is accessible with the device in the box, or you can just use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. But from there you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top of the device next to the camera. As you can see where the pin is holding, push it in, tray pops out, and from here you can simply take it out. And in here you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. I'm gonna show how it would go with the SIM card on the SD tray. So you kind of place it sideways like so. But I'm gonna use both of them, so let's just put it on the bottom. And from here I'm gonna insert the SD card. There we go. SD card is kind of jammed in there, so it does hold, while the SIM card barely, I would say. So I would suggest to hold at least the SIM card in place, and from there insert it back into the device. Give it a moment. I have a pin on the SIM card, so it should pop it up right about now. There we go. Confirm it, and there we go. So as you can see, there is the SD card, and SIM card is working as well based on the pin that I needed to insert. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.